Hey everybody, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. When we are in the process of helping our new clients begin their transition of becoming a dealer with our company, Cabinet Wholesalers, the main question that continually comes up, how much should I price my cabinets out to the customer? Well, in today's market, that is a very complicated question. We have a few dealers, they sell their cabinets at a manufactured list price, while some others, they sell their cabinets at 15% markup. Let's go over some factors to think of when you're pricing your cabinets. First, let's begin with you. How much is your time worth? Your knowledge, your professionalism, your reliability. What is it worth? Some forget this part and do not give themselves enough credit. You might be worth $10 per hour. You're late every day. You do not know much about the products. You really don't care much about the client. You only care about closing this job and moving on to the next one. That's what gets you about $10 per hour. On the other hand, you show up every day on time, you've done your training on the products, and you know the product extensively. You're licensed, bonded, and insured, and you've built a wonderful relationship with the client. Now, your stock has gone up maybe around $200 per hour. Whatever you think you're worth, you have to include it in your pricing. Second, what product are you supplying? The higher the quality, the more the price. The client understands this and will be willing to pay if they are educated on the differences in the product. There is the location of the job. Logistics has to be part of your pricing. If not, you'll be losing money. The distance you drive to meet the clients to do the job, the more traffic you have to deal with, and even the difficulty of the entrance to the job site must be thought of in your pricing. The last factor for this discussion is risk avoidance. This is huge. How much risk avoidance do you provide for the client? Back orders, delayed time frame, work done to code, quality control of products, management of subs, and staying within their budget. All are risks that clients have nightmares about. The more risk avoidance you can show the client, the more you can charge. So remember, what is your time and effort worth? What are you bringing to the table? If you don't have the best product or the risk avoidance, you need us at Cabinet Wholesalers behind you, getting you the most profit possible. We'll see you next week.